5 everyday foods that exist only because cooking is secretly chemistry. Bread is a fermentation tank. Cheese is a protein realignment. Caramel is sugar in a controlled meltdown. Yogurt is milk after a bacterial coup. Every brown surface on every cooked meal is a 100-year-old French chemistry experiment. You signed up to cook, you got chemistry. Maillard reaction, the brown crust on toast, the sear on a steak, the dark surface of roasted coffee, all the same reaction. Discovered by French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard in 1912 while he was studying kidneys. Kicks in at 140 degrees Celsius. Amino acids and sugars in the food rearrange themselves into hundreds of new flavor compounds your meal didn't have before heat. The brown isn't the food, the brown is what the food turned into. Caramelization, different reaction from Maillard. Only sugar, no amino acids needed. Heat regular white sugar past 160 degrees Celsius and the sucrose molecules start breaking apart. They reassemble into hundreds of new compounds, which is why caramel tastes like caramel and not like the white sugar it started as. The color goes pale yellow, then amber, then dark brown, then burnt. The whole process is a controlled chemical demolition that we put on cake. Bread rising. Yeast cells eat the sugars in flour. As they eat, they release carbon dioxide and ethanol. Mixing flour with water creates a protein network called gluten, strong enough to trap the carbon dioxide bubbles as they appear. The dough inflates, the yeast keeps eating. Baking ends the fermentation and locks the structure in place. The fluffy texture inside every bread loaf is microscopic livestock doing their job for you. Cheese stretching, mozzarella, provolone, string cheese, all the same trick. Casein proteins in milk normally clump in random tangled clusters. Heat the curd to around 60 degrees Celsius, and the casein chains line up into long parallel strands. The cheese stretches because all the proteins are now pointing the same way. Cool it down, the alignment locks in. The pull-apart texture in fresh mozzarella is protein chains that the cheesemaker forced into formation while the cheese was hot. Yogurt fermentation. 2 bacteria, Lactobacillus and Streptococcus thermophilus, eat the lactose in milk and excrete lactic acid as a byproduct. The lactic acid drops the milk's pH below 4.6. At that pH, milk proteins change shape and form a thick gel-like network. The milk is the same. The bacteria did the work. Yogurt is milk that has been visited by the right microbes and held at the right temperature long enough for the visit to mean something. 5 foods, 5 chemistry reactions. No instruction manual. Most cooks have never heard the names. They run these reactions every day. Cooking is chemistry pretending to be lunch.